Now, what are the symptoms of allergy? So, general symptoms of allergy are inflammation of the mucous membrane, sneezing, running nose, irritation of the throat and trachea, itching, skin rash, etc. Allergy symptoms কি হয়? Mucous membrane or irritation হব, inflammation হব, sneezing হব, হাসি আহিব, running nose হব, পানী লাগিব, irritation of the throat and trachea, throat আৰু trachea irritation হব, itching হব, খজুতি হব, skin rash হব, ৰঙা ৰঙা দাগ পৰিব. Now there are different kinds of allergies. They are hay fever, asthma, anaphylactic shock, hives, etc. Now hay fever, this is called allergic rhinitis. It is called allergic rhinitis. Now this fever, it is caused due to pollen grains. So some people, they are very much allergic to pollen grains, and when they become allergic, as a result they will have running nose from the eyes, the tears will come out, there will be nose blockage. So this condition is called hay fever. Asthma is also a very a disorder of the respiratory system, and in this disorder the person cannot breathe properly. Now asthma, this may be caused due to various reasons. It may be because of dust, it may be because of food. So in asthma, the respiratory tubes, that means the bronchioles, they become smaller in size. So they become smaller in size, and as a result of which the person cannot breathe properly. Now anaphylactic shock, this is a very dangerous kind of allergy, and this allergy is caused in some person. For example, a person who is very allergic to medicine, penicillin, for example, say penicillin. So he may suffer from anaphylactic shock, and this anaphylactic shock, it may lead to death. Even a bee sting in some person, if they get a bee sting, it leads to anaphylactic shock, and as a result that person may die. Now hives, it is also called urticaria. So hives are what? These are some rashes that are produced on our skin. So red color bumps that appear on our skin, called hives. Now all these allergic conditions, hay fever for example, asthma, hives, they are localized. Hay fever, this will occur in the head region, in the nasal region, head region of the body. Asthma will occur in the respiratory tube. The hives will occur on the skin. But anaphylactic shock, this is very dangerous, which is called systemic allergy. It spreads throughout the body and ultimately leads to death of the person. Now let us study about the vaccine. What is vaccine? Vaccine is a biological preparation of antigenic substance that provides active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. So vaccine is what? It is a biological substance, biological preparation. And this substance is made of what? It is made up of antigens. And these antigens, they provide active acquired immunity to a person from a particular disease. For example, if a person takes a chicken pox vaccine, that vaccine will contain the germs of the chicken pox. It will contain the virus of the chicken pox. And when this vaccine will be injected into the body of the person, then that person will not suffer from chicken pox. So So what is the function of vaccine? The function of vaccine is to provide active acquired immunity to a particular infectious disease. So the germs in vaccine, rather what they do, they stimulate the formation of antibodies. So these germs that are present in the vaccine, they will not cause the disease. Rather, they will stimulate the formation of the antibodies inside our body to protect us from that particular disease. Now, what is vaccination?